Hi everybody. I am here today to chat with you for a few minutes about holiday cooking. I'm sitting here in front of my Christmas tree thinking about all the yummy things that we can make and all the patients I've talked to this week and how we can make healthier holiday treats. I have given several patients some ideas and I wanted to share that with you today. Basically, I wanted to go through some of the healthier substitutions for sugar that you can use cup for cup, teaspoon for teaspoon in your holiday recipes. So let's start with talking about how you can substitute. I love to bake. I love to make stuff. I love to eat stuff, but I can't eat the things I used to eat, right? And neither can you. And for the most part, my patients are awesome about figuring out options and substitutions for things that they really, really like. So I'm going to show you a couple of options that I have found, and lately there have been some really, really, really good substitutions, many of which we can do cup for cup in every recipe. So I have a ton of recipes at the office. I am revamping them currently to add some of the new sweeteners, some of the new flours that are out there that are easy to use, much better than they used to be. So let me kind of give you an idea about some of these. So if you'll look at this is called monk fruit sweetener. And this sweetener is a mixture of monk fruit and erythritol. So it is from Le Canto, and you can get it either at Sprouts, Whole Foods, or online at Amazon. So that's an awesome one to use. That one you can use cup for cup, teaspoon for teaspoon. One of my favorites is just granulated monk fruit. So granulated monk fruit is just that. This is a golden all natural monk fruit that I got from Amazon. And you can put this, again, like sugar. I made my son's birthday cake last month with monk fruit. Fabulous. Nobody knew. Isn't that awesome? That's what you want. I don't even like to tell people because then they think it's going to taste bad. And honestly, you can put this in coffee. You can put this in tea. It tastes great, does not change your glycemic index, does not cause your glucose to go up for people who are diabetic. Same with monk fruit. With the alcohol sweeteners, just make sure that you don't have any sensitivities to those alcohol sweeteners. Some people can have a little bit of issues with their gut, but usually you know that by now. So that's kind of those two that I really like to use. Another one that's really awesome is Swerve. Now Swerve is pretty much a sugar replacement. It is a combination of erythritol, and this one is erythritol and some oligosaccharides. But this one, same thing. They make Swerve for different things you're going to cook with. So this is a brown sugar substitution. I have a confectioner sugar substitution, and they actually have one for regular sugar too, just granulated sugar sub. So the Swerve that I use is this is great to make cookies, to do any type of thing that you would put brown sugar in for the holidays. So awesome. Okay, I keep dropping that. The Stevita, this is something I will use in tea. So I like stevia in tea. Some people don't like the aftertaste, but I like it. There's also liquid stevia. You can't really cook cup for cup with liquid stevia, but you can use it for sweeteners. Okay, one more awesome thing that will make you happy. Chalk Zero. Chalk Zero and Lily's make chocolate chips that are low sugar. This one doesn't even contain sugar. It's got dark chocolate, corn fiber, monk fruit. So this is actually sweetened with monk fruit and real vanilla. So Chalk Zero, Lily's makes chocolate chips. Lily's makes all kinds of no sugar candy bars and different things like that that you can eat. And so I love to use those. If you want to make a chocolate chip cookie, there are some fabulous recipes out there that are keto, so you can use almond flour or coconut flour. Here is some superfine almond flour from Bob's Red Mill. I love to use this product. It works great. You can make a cupcake, like, you know, like not a cupcake, but a cake in a cup. Put it in your microwave and have a really quick keto type treat, lots of protein, not a ton of carbs for one of those craving evenings with a cup of tea. Also, coconut flour. Coconut flour tends to, in baking for me, you need to use a lot more liquid. So just keep that in mind. You can't often substitute the almond and the coconut. You have to add sometimes a little bit more liquid to the coconut flour because it absorbs it a lot more. So I hope that that's been helpful. So monk fruit, stevia, the alcohol sweeteners do not change your blood sugar. They actually will enable you to cook cup for cup, teaspoon for teaspoon in your holiday baking. So I wish you happy baking. I will be back. We will share some new recipes, and I hope I'll see you soon. This is Dr. Billiot signing off. Till next time.